Iranian missiles shot down 3 U.S. fighter jets on Kuwait border. In a stunning escalation that could push the Middle East to the brink of open war, explosive claims emerging from Iran alleged that its air defense forces successfully shot down 3 advanced fighter jets belonging to the United States Air Force within a single 24-hour period near the volatile border region with Kuwait. According to sources aligned with Iranian military command, the dramatic series of interceptions unfolded during what Tehran described as unauthorized aerial incursions close to its southern airspace, a region already saturated with tension due to the heavy military presence of United States forces across the Gulf. Iranian air defense operators reportedly detected multiple incoming radar signatures moving at high speed along sensitive corridors overlooking the strategic coastline of the Persian Gulf. Within minutes, surface-to-air missile batteries were allegedly activated, locking onto the targets. Moments later, multiple explosions were reportedly observed in the sky. Iranian defense insiders claim the first jet was destroyed within seconds of entering the engagement envelope. The second aircraft attempted evasive maneuvers but was struck mid-air. The third fighter reportedly disappeared from radar entirely after a final missile launch. Military observers described the alleged operation as rapid, precise, and devastating. So far, U.S. military officials have not confirmed any losses. The absence of immediate clarification has fueled intense speculation among defense analysts and geopolitical observers worldwide. If verified, the destruction of 3 U.S. fighter jets in a single day would mark one of the most severe direct aerial losses involving American aircraft in the region in years, and a direct challenge to U.S. air dominance. Iranian state-aligned channels framed the alleged shootdowns as a warning, a signal that Iranian airspace and borders are now defended by layered missile networks capable of engaging even the most advanced stealth and multi-role fighters. Defense analysts warn the implications could be enormous. U.S. aerial patrols across Gulf corridors may face increased risk. Regional allies hosting U.S. aircraft could become flashpoints. Any retaliatory strike could ignite a chain reaction across multiple fronts. Military assets across the Gulf are reportedly on heightened alert. Radar systems, interceptor squadrons, and missile batteries across several countries have entered elevated readiness levels amid fears of further escalation. Behind closed doors, defense officials across the region are now asking a chilling question. Was this an isolated confrontation, or the opening shot of a far larger conflict? The skies over the Gulf have long been tense. Now they may have become a battlefield.